All right, what's going on? I am the JakeOfALL, and I'm back. I'm with another mod. Now this one is not from me. This one is from 10 Spot. You guys have seen his stuff before. Great things. Awesome products. Anytime he's got something new, I want to work with him because you guys usually love it, and I love it. In fact, I actually did one myself. So, what I've got going on here is this is the old way I did something. Okay, we got a bunk bin. We've got, this is actually a stock Milwaukee close quarters PVC tubing cutter. These fit in the shockwave cases. I took that out. I added a regular bin on it. I had a PACKOUT set up, and that was this. We'll get to this later. Here's the PACKOUT. Check that out. Okay, so what this is the original M12 copper tubing cutter. Place in here for your battery. We have three. One for the 3/4, one for the half, one for the 1-inch. And this is the 3D printed insert that he makes. Now this, he actually prints this in two parts. It's pretty cool, and then it's joined together. Goes right into a standard profile PACKOUT. As you can see, there is then these provisions that I showed you, taking these out for your 1-inch, your 1/2-inch, and your 3/4. Then you can just drop that down in there, give it a nice little seat. Okay, the lid closes no problem, and then you've got one for the actual tubing cutter itself. And as you can see, I close that sucker up, and I have got a nice contained PACKOUT, perfect for plumbing, because most likely you're going to try this guy first, which I love this. I definitely will go into this more. If you guys want to see, just comment below, let me know. And then, you know, those aren't going to always fit, and you're going to have to do it the old-fashioned way. These things work really well. I like having 3 different sizes. I really did like this setup, but it never made sense to have this bin in one of my PACKOUTs. So as much as I thought that was cool, that Milwaukee did this, this is going to be where it stays. I'll probably 3D print a set of latches for this, or I'll do the handle. Not really sure which one. What would you do is honestly where I would be at. So that's it. It's a simple one. It's a simple Friday video because it's a simple product that definitely gets the job done. It's getting a lot inside this PACKOUT, and because this guy doesn't really have any add-ons or whatever, this is perfect. I wouldn't do foam for this. Circles and foam definitely can do it, but this fits in perfect. I mean, this really is the greatest thing. So I got 2 things. I want to know what you guys think. I want to know what you'd label this, and I want to try something out. You guys saw this bench video, and yes, I'm going to do the how to put the feet on the bench video. I had an extra one of these. Now this is from 10 Spot Tools. Pete is honestly an awesome guy. He always ships directly to you guys, but I've got an extra one too. I am going to give Jen's little Google sheet a super test. So what I need you to do, this is where the directions are going to make sense, is in the description is going to be a link that you're going to fill out. It's going to give us your information. You're basically agreeing to enter a giveaway and to get emails when we get new videos. But on top of that, you're going to enter your YouTube username, and you're going to comment in this video. You really can comment anything. You just need to comment. Of course, we appreciate you liking and subscribing, and you really should be a subscriber if you want to win. And that's just sort of all we're asking for. And one of you will win this wrench insert that goes in the PACKOUT drawers. And as you can see, and I'll definitely do a link to some other 10 Spot Tool videos up in one of these things. Check out these wrench ones. They're awesome. And let's give this form a try. So comment below, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm the Jake of All. You guys have a great Friday, and we'll see you next week.